In this video, I wanted to discuss something that I think is super exciting. As a target release customer of Office 365, I now have access to the Tasks app in Microsoft Teams. As a longtime user of Microsoft Planner and a somewhat newer user of To Do, having both located within one spot of Teams is amazing. No longer will I have to navigate two different websites to see all my assigned tasks and due dates. I can now access them all via the navigation bar within Microsoft Teams. What's your favorite thing about tasks within Teams? Let me know in the comments. Hey everyone, it's Joe from Filthy Casual Tech, a great place to find tech news, reviews, and tutorials. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button below, and all the links we reference in this video can be found in the video's description. And with that said, let's jump into it. To get started, first we're going to add the Tasks app to Microsoft Teams. To do this, we need to click on the ellipsis here, and in the Find an App search box, we can type Planner. It may already be there on your list. If that's the case, just click on it. From here, click Add. And you can see it automatically added this to the Microsoft Teams clients over on the navigation bar. One thing you're going to want to do is right-click on it and then click on Pin, and this will permanently place the Planner app, soon to be Tasks app, within the Microsoft Teams client. If you don't pin this, then it's going to be hidden under the More Apps option here. And you can see here at the top, it said your tasks are now in one place. Your Planner and To-Do tasks are here under Shared Plans and Tasks. Soon we'll change the name of this app to Tasks. That's coming at a later date. And you can see here in the client, we're first presented with My Tasks. Right there. My Tasks includes most items from Microsoft To Do, your Outlook tasks, as well as tasks assigned to you via Microsoft Planner. You'll also notice Shared Plans here as well. Shared Plans includes Microsoft Planner plans that have been added to your Teams channels. You'll also notice within the client that there's the option to add new lists or plans. To do this, all you need to do is click on New List or Plan. And you'll see here there's an option to create a new plan. And I'll just name this Test Plan. And if you look here, it gives you the option to create in. You can either create it in your tasks list under My Tasks, or you could create it in a channel like a Teams channel that you're a member of. So in this case, I'll just add it under My Tasks and then click Create. And you'll notice that it's immediately added here to My Tasks. But let's jump back to the task list here. As I said before, My Tasks is sort of a combination of all of your to-do tasks, your Outlook tasks, and your Planner tasks. If under the Tasks tab or option within My Tasks, this just highlights your to-do tasks and your Outlook tasks. And I'll just show you a little bit here. You still have most of the same options that you'd have in Microsoft To Do when you click on Add a Task. You can set priorities, you can name the tasks, you can set due dates. One thing to note that a lot of people have been asking about online is they're not, as of today, they have not added any start date options for to-do tasks. I know this is something that a lot of people are asking about. I've seen it in a lot of forums. But at least as of today, it is not available. So that's just something to keep in mind. You'll also notice within this tasks window, there's an option to change views. You can see here it's set to all active. I can also set to completed if I want to view just the completed tasks. I can also filter all of my tasks based on keywords, due dates, so on and so forth, as you can see here, as well as priority as well. So, and you can actually set priorities on all of these tasks by right-clicking on the option and setting the priority from important to medium. You could set due dates. You can move the tasks, and you could set the tasks from not started to completed, or delete the tasks all right here. You'll also notice that there's a smart list for all of your important tasks. It sort of aggregates all of those tasks here. I don't have any important tasks labeled currently. So there's nothing to show up really. Similarly, there's a smart list for planned tasks. These are all the tasks that are planned in the future. And you could see right here, there's a source option. You could see where the source is located. So these are in my tasks. This is actually in the IT channel under tasks. And you can see all the due dates, priorities, everything right there. Assigned to me shows all of the tasks that have been assigned to you in Planner. And then here you can see the 2 test plans that I created. And below that, you can see shared plans. And as I said before, these are the Planner plans that are shared with you in Microsoft Teams channels. And you can actually drill down in here and see the names of the plans, where they're located, so on and so forth. It's very, very helpful. One thing that I find super helpful within the Tasks app within Teams is the ability to select multiple tasks within one of the sections here. So if I simply click on a task and then control click, you can see they're both highlighted here. I can actually update the progress for both of those. I can set the due dates for both at the same time. So let's say I want to change this due date to October 1st. I can click save. You can see here that it just updated the due dates for both of those tasks that I selected. Pretty cool. And a great feature that was lacking with both To-Do and Planner in the past. Also within your shared plans, you have a lot of the same options that you normally have within Planner, like your board, your charts, your schedule, all stuff you're probably fairly familiar with. Just wanted to make you all aware of it. You also have the ability to filter within here, just like you would within Planner. Also very useful. You can also sort between all active tasks and completed tasks. And you can see here one of the Microsoft Planner plans that I created in one of the channels. And I have actually filled in a few tasks along with due dates and things like that. You still have, as I said before, you still have access to all of the same features that you did before. The ability to label, the ability to set buckets, as well as progress, priorities, so on and so forth. It's all the same features you've come to love about Planner. Microsoft also has some really useful information if you're curious as to what limitations there are between the Tasks app and the To-Do app. You could pause the screen here if you want to see it. I'll also leave a link to this website in the video's description. On top of this, they also have something very similar for the Tasks app versus Planner. So you can either view it here or click on the link in the video description. And that's pretty much it for the basics of Planner. It's pretty awesome. I'm very impressed. I'm sure there's still room for improvement, but it's a great start. And I love the ability to be able to see all of my tasks that I have due in one location within Teams. Teams really is becoming the one-stop shop for most things within 365. And that's great. So I'm so happy. If you like this video, please smash the like button or subscribe below. Question: are you looking forward to any upcoming changes within the Office 365 platform? Let me know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.